Professional learning communities are necessary and valuable to each AISD campus and the development of highly effective teaching practices. Grade level or content team members meet regularly to collaborate, break down standards, and plan for instruction that will support student mastery of these standards. One commonly created tool that scaffolds lesson planning is the Know and Show chart. This is a critical component of the weekly data meeting protocol. This protocol was developed by Paul Bambrick Santoyo. In Module 2, we will explore this in great detail. To begin, please review the outcomes and read through the overview slides. This will help you refresh your knowledge of the purpose and the process for creating Know and Show charts. If this is a new process for you, it will provide a preview of the information that we will explore in this module.